Hi, what we have here is a little home video of my collection of books printed in the Soviet Union. We start. What we have here is Soviet sci-fi stuff like Sanikov Land, The Chariot of Time, The Riddles of Three Oceans, etc. And we also have some stuff by Lev Tolstoy here, The Ant and the Pigeon. Moving on, what we have here is Ukrainian folktales, The Adventures of Captain Wrangel. We also have a book about planets and stars and some other stuff. Another copy of Tales of the Amber Seas over here. Going on, we have a stack of Sputniks, which used to be the USSR's equivalent of Reader's Digest. And if I just move the stack away a little, then there are some other books. We have Tales of the Amber Sea, Kids and Cubs, Northern Lights, and a few other books. Moving on, what we have here is books about science and maths all over the globe. Perelman's Figures for Fun, Algebra Can Be Fun, Space Adventures in Your Home. And behind it we have some more books in science about chemistry, physics, maths. Okay, moving on. What we have here is some large books, large not in terms of number of pages but the size of the book, and most of these are for children, stuff like Rainbow World, but it also has stuff like Portrait of the Soviet Union, etc. Another stack of Sputniks. In all there are about 58 Sputnik copies which I got, and a few books in Hindi, which is not my preferred language in terms of control, but yes, I like to read in Hindi as well. Moving on, what we have here is some books in Marathi, which is where the love of Soviet books really started. So Victor Zagomsky's Denishya Goshti, my all-time favorite. Manus Mahavala Dekhasa Bandla. We also have Ivan somewhere here. So that's about most of my Soviet books, except for some more. Please bear with me. Which are right over here. So we got Lenin's collected works, volumes 1 to 3. We got again Lenin on youth. Behind this, although I won't be able to move these books right away, we got Mikhail Sholokov's Quiet Flows Dawn and some other books by him. Over here we got Ivan Turgenev's books, A Hunter's Sketches, On the Eve, Stories and Poems Prose, 3 short novels, and then some stuff by Dostoevsky, stories, The Insulted and the Humiliated, and so on. Again behind this I got some books by Chekhov. Over here I got some books by Maxim Gorky, another favorite author. Got Mother, my apprenticeship, my university. I think I got 2 copies of those, and I got Childhood as well, and then a couple of books by Nikolai Gogol. Moving on, what I have here just behind, which is not very easily visible, is some books by Lev Tolstoy, Anna Karenina, which I find too difficult to read honestly, but some other stuff also by Anton Chekhov. And here I got some additional books, one by Gorky, another by Gogol, Kapitza Life and Discoveries. This is a beautiful copy of the 3rd volume of collected works of Marx and Engels, and a nice book about Moscow's architecture. So that's about that. Close to 200 books if I include the Sputniks. Excluding the Sputniks, about 150. Hope to increase the collection and hope to scan some of these as time goes. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.